Anyway, guys, I'm back with another Forza Horizon 5 video today. As promised in this one, I'd be ramp jumping the Ferrari 599XX, which I am super excited about. In fact, I haven't done it yet, which usually I do them before I do it, so it's gonna be usually before I make the video, so it's gonna be just as much as a surprise for me as it is for you guys, so I'm pumped for this one. Gotta get as far back as we can so we get the best outcome. You already know. There we go. Alright, who's ready to see? 3, 2, 1, let's go. River, river, river. Oh, so close. Unless you count the roll into the river. But on the fly, not into the river. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Forza Horizon video. I had a fun time making this one. I was excited to do this one no matter what the outcome would be, no matter what the distance in that Ferrari would be. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. And anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.